In this video, let's perform statistical analysis or descriptive statics in Excel using some sample data. So here I have some sales data regarding the product. Let me format the cell first. So right click, go to format cells, then number. I don't want any decimal places, make it 0, use 1000 comma separator, click on OK. All right, so let's perform the statistical analysis. So it's simple, just go to data, then go to data analysis. Here, just select the descriptive statistics. Select descriptive statistics, click on OK. Here, let's give the input range. Let's give the input data. So to select the entire column, enter. Then output range, select output range. I want the descriptive statistics right here in this cell, enter. Make sure you take this summary statistics, then click on OK. So you will get the descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics, it's nothing but a way to summarize or analyze data to get maybe insights or to understand the characteristics of the data. So to perform this descriptive statistics, Excel has a built-in tool called as data analysis. So here, let's discuss about the values. First one, mean. It is nothing but the average. So average is nothing but the sum of all numbers divided by the number of entries. Then your median, the median calculates the middle value in the set. So it is also the 50th percentile value, data present at 50th percentile. So from median, we can know that the sale 50th%, most of the sales or 50% of the sales is less than 60. Third one, mode. This is nothing but the most frequent occurring value in the data set. Then we have minimum sale, maximum sale. So from this minimum and maximum, you can understand the range of sales is very high. So what is range? Range is nothing but the difference of minimum and maximum. So 3083 minus 1, you will get 3082. So range is the difference between the maximum and the minimum values. Standard deviation. So standard deviation, which just measures the spread or the dispersion of data points. So here the standard deviation is quite high. Then let's talk about variance. So variance is nothing but the square of standard deviation. This also represents how much data points vary from the mean. What is the variance from the mean? Then we have count. We have count is nothing but the number of data points. Then kurtosis, skewness talks about the distortion in normal distribution. So here the kurtosis value is quite high. That means it is a very highly peaked curve. The value of kurtosis is near to 20. So it is having a very high peaked curve. Skewness, it is very high. That means the tailedness of the data or of the distribution, it's quite high. So when you plot a histogram, you can visualize both kurtosis and skewness. So you can also calculate skewness and kurtosis using special functions like skew and kurt, which will describe these two values describes the shape of the distribution, whether it's highly peaked or what is the symmetrical, is it symmetrical about the mean, things like that. Yes. Yeah, this was about your descriptive statistics in Excel. Thank you.